If you've been looking for a lightweight compact drill and impact driver set for your toolbox, you're gonna wanna stick around. Today we're diving into Milwaukee's brand new M12 subcompact drill and impact driver combo kit. And trust me, these little guys pack way more punch than you might think. All right, so here's the deal. While most brands have been laser focused on their 18 volt and 20 volt lineups, Milwaukee's keeping the 12 volt torch burning bright, and we're here for it. The M12 subcompact 3401 drill and 3450 impact driver are built to be smaller, lighter, and more affordable than their M12 Fuel cousins. But they're still running brushless motors and pro features, which is huge at this price point. Let's kick things off with the M12 3401 drill driver. It's got a 2-speed gearbox that gives you between 450 to 1550 RPMs. It also gives you 350 inch-pounds of torque, gives you a 3/8 of an inch metal chuck, and 12 clutch settings plus a drill mode. All that in a tool that weighs just 1.9 pounds with a CP 2.0 battery. It's compact, measuring just 5.3 inches from tip to tail, so it's awesome for working in tight spaces. I tested it on a 2-inch hole saw through pine 2x4, and while it took a little bit of time, it got the job done. It works great for smaller size holes, which make it ideal for electricians, HVAC techs, and anyone doing light work. Now, let's talk about the 3450 subcompact impact driver. You get 3,000 RPMs, 4,100 impacts per minute, and 2,100 inch-pounds of torque. That equates to about 92 foot-pounds. That's a lot of power in the palm of your hand. At just 1.7 pounds with the battery, it's honestly impressive that this little driver can do. I drove 2-inch drywall screws and 3-inch deck screws all day without a problem. And just for fun, I tried to loosen the lug nuts on my utility trailer. They're torqued to around 100 foot-pounds, which is just over spec for this tool, but it still broke them free. It's not recommended, but hey, now you know. Milwaukee didn't cut corners on comfort either. Both tools have the classic M12 pistol grip, lots of rubber overmold, and they feel balanced and maneuverable. You get LED work lights, a 2-position belt clip, battery life indicator, and the full compatibility of the M12 battery platform. Here's the quick rundown. For pros, they're lightweight, compact, and well balanced. They offer solid performance for light duty tasks, they're simple and user-friendly, and they offer excellent kit value. For cons, they're really not for heavy duty jobs. They have fewer bells and whistles than their M12 Fuel cousins, and if you need brute force for larger fasteners or masonry, you'll want to look for the M12 Fuel or M18 Fuel lineup instead. So who's this kit really for? I'd say if you're an HVAC, electrical, low voltage, or just want a dependable set of lightweight tools for around your house, this is an ideal grab and go setup. The Milwaukee 3494-22 combo kit, which is what this is, includes both of the tools, 2 CP 2.0 amp hour batteries, a charger, and the bag, all for $199. If you're doing the math, that's some great value, especially considering when each of these tools alone are $119 as a bare tool or $149 as a tool and a battery in a kit. They also come with a 5-year warranty. Got any questions about this tool set? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video either. And as always, thanks for watching.